going to school. Bye.
Hey guys, Rimpup here, and I just wanted to do a big update video for you guys. Today it is Monday, and I just got home from school about 30 minutes ago, I would say. And I wanted to show you guys my neighborhood. So, well, let's go. What am I doing? Oh, sorry guys. It's a little bit sunny out here. And, well, I'm going to be walking around, and I'm going to turn this around, and here we go. Ow, I'm walking on this barefooted. This really hurts because this is a rock driveway. Okay guys, so I'll just be videotaping this. This is a really expensive camera. It was like $50 or $60. So I cannot drop it. That's why I'm being really careful. So, ow. Here's some trees. Here's my neighbor's house. They're really mean. They steal from us. Here's my friend Rihanna's house. She was the one who helped me in my last video. It might not be up yet, but this one probably will be up before that one, because that one we had to edit and still not done with it. So then here's some trees. Here's teenager's house. It's really fun. And blackness and whiteness and redness. Huh? Well, I guess I'll be going now. Hey guys, Rimpup here. And today, sorry, I just got 8. And today I was gonna save the birds. I'm going outside with these boys. There's another one. And so, I'm going outside and I'll be looking under trees. Not in trees. That's not part of nature. So, let's get started. Oops. Whoa, that's awesome. Okay, let's go. Come on, boys, let's go outside. This is how I take my dogs out. Ow, ow, ow. They jump up a lot. Go. Okay, guys, let me go get them back over here. Okay, so here's my backyard. I have a broken trampoline. So, let's get looking. Ow, I just stepped on something. Let's look. I don't know if you guys can see. Save the birds. Okay. Ooh, look at that beetle. Hey, Ani. Yeah, camera shy dog. Okay, guys. So, I actually don't know if you guys can see me that well because, like, it's kind of sunny. So, I'm going to set you guys in here. Okay, so you guys can probably see me now. And I'm outside. I'm using my soccer goal. My soccer goal as that. And I kind of hit it, so. Still recording? Yeah. And so, yeah, let's get started. So, I'm gonna call my dogs in and we're gonna look at. Come on, boys! Come on, boys! Get in there. Yeah, boy. Okay, guys, so this is how I get my dogs in. Woo! Hey, little butterfly. Hey, little butterfly. How about you fly away? Snowman. Come on, snowman. Come on. Go inside. Good boys. So, as you can see, my dogs listen when they're on camera. They actually do not listen to me when I am not on camera. So, yeah, let's see here. I play soccer. This is also a video for you guys to know a little about me. It's kind of like Piece of Quake what Cupquake does. But this is like mine. Ow. So guys, let's get started. They shouldn't. Okay guys, so we are just going to look under some trees. Hopefully to find some. Let's get started, I guess. We'll start it again. What the heck? Oh, oops, can't mess with that. Okay, so how's this? Oh my god! I guess that I just wasn't off. So, I found an egg yesterday. And it was a little French bird egg. Nothing much. I wanted to save it. Its mom kicked it out of the nest. I think it just dropped. Other people thought different. So, I tried to save it and it seemed it passed away. I'm actually kind of upset about that. But, anyway, I will be just walking. Ow. This really hurts, but I'm doing it for you guys. It hurts to even think about my birdie that died. So, here's my documentary about saving the birds. People are killing birds for their feathers, and I just don't think it's right. I mean, because, like, birds are the things that fly and they make beautiful music. And if we didn't have them, then who would be the things that would tweet in the morning and fly around? I mean, seriously. Then what would happen? I think that birds need to stay alive. So if you ever see a bird egg, don't be tempted to squish it. Try to save it. Now, my camera's kind of bouncy, but yeah. Save the birds. Hey guys, Roompup here, as you probably know. But I will be interviewing Rihanna. She was in my last video, or my next video, however these get uploaded. And,
There's my mom.
Cool.
That was random.
Yeah. And I'm going to be interviewing her. So, okay, Rihanna. First question. Would you save birds or would you not?
Well, you know, they are a very important part of this ecosystem. So, yes. Yes, I would.
Okay. Would you save a bird if it was a baby and it fell out of its tree.
Oh, of course. I love baby birds.
And if you found an egg on the ground under a tree, and it might not be living, and it might stink after a while, would you still save it? Or would you just let it be because of the smell?
I would save him. He deserves his life. Amen, sister.
Okay, guys.
Oh, before we leave, I heard that you found a baby egg, and you are taking care of it. There's something on my face, isn't there?
Yes.
I just noticed that.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna...
Why don't we show them the baby bird? Okay, stop looking at me. Let's go see the baby bird.
Hey, guys. It didn't make it. It's dead. Is it gone? So we're gonna try to grab this that we buried him. Let's go.
Ew! He licked me.
The birdie wasn't
No,
on it.
Lonnie!
Go, Lonnie.
No! Don't eat my bird! Don't eat.
No.
My dog's trying to eat my bird!
I can't see it. Hey.
Back up.
If you guys leave in the comments what you think about this update video. See you guys. Pups on out.